Good morning, guys. Check out my lovely outfits for today. Good morning, arise and shine. My name is Ekene Patience. Today I'm going to do Chit related to Dutch delight and American delight. So if you have been watching my videos, you must have seen me talking about America and the Netherlands. So the United States of America is very beautiful. You have cities such as Houston, Texas. You have Ohio, you have California, Florida. In the Netherlands, you have cities such as Amsterdam, Rotterdam. So there are several goods and services you can find in New York or Florida or any city in America. You can also find in the Netherlands, such as service companies such as Hilton Hotel, Marriott Hotel, Hyatt Hotel. You also have food companies such as McDonald's, Kentucky Fried Chicken. um, so you do have Subway in the Netherlands as well. So Subway is a very popular eatery in America that is also present in the Netherlands. You have McDonald's, Burger King. Okay, so Uber Eats and Bolt are present in the Netherlands, and Uber is present in America. So if you want to order food, you can use the service of Uber Eats. In America, you can also use the services of Uber Eats. If you want a ride, from one destination to another, you can use Uber. You can call Uber. So you can actually download the Uber app. Here is the Eto shop where you can buy cosmetics. Here you have shop for kids in Holland Casino. This building. I'm going to take you outside, guys. So at Vanpiano, you can eat very delicious meal. Guys, check out my delicious meal from Vanpiano. Scamberretti penne. It's very delicious with prawns. This is Vanpiano restaurant, Rotterdam Plaza. A few blocks away from here is the Saint Rotterdam. You can find out more about Saint Rotterdam on my website, ekenepatience.com/sainthair, and on blackman.me/sainthair. So for today's filming, I'm wearing a very pretty dress from Boho. So if you have been watching my video, you must have seen me wear this dress. I'm wearing this lovely stocking. So this is how my look for today looks like. It's very pretty, feminine, subtle, down to earth. Guys, I've contoured my nose. You can tell it looks prettier and lovely. This is pretty much the finished result of this makeup look. Guys, I have applied my eyeshadow eyeliner. I'm applying my Rimmel London mascara. Afterwards, I'm going to apply my lipstick from the brand Kiko Milano. So I'm very happy with this makeup look. It's a very simple makeup look, day makeup look. You can wear it to work, you can wear it home. Looks very subtle, pretty. So I've applied mascara on these eyes. You can tell it looks different from the other one. So it's very important to apply mascara. So there are several mascara I do recommend. You can use mascara from Rimmel London. You can use mascara from Dior. You can use Chanel mascara. It all depends what you can afford. Okay, so yeah. So this is what I can afford at this moment. So that's what I'm applying on my eyes. So now I'm applying my Maybelline New York powder on my face. So these are the items I bought from Kiko Milano. This is the concealer, sculpturing touch, creamy stick contour. Actually a contour stick. And this is the Kiko Milano red lipstick. So I'm going to use this item for my makeup today. So I'm going to use this item to contour my face. And I'm also going to wear the foundation from Maybelline New York. So this is my foundation. It's almost finished, but I'm going to apply it on my face. Guys, this is my face with no makeup on. So I've applied my body lotion from Nivea. I like the way my skin feels. You can tell I do not have any blemishes. If you have been watching my videos, I have shared with you how I treated the blemishes on my face. I use bio oil. So if you have never heard about bio oil, you guys should check out my previous video. It's very good for, it's a special oil for removing any blemishes, stretch marks and that, all that on your skin. So I've been applying it on, you know, anywhere I had blemishes on my face. Now everything has almost entirely disappeared. I'm very happy. So it has really helped to improve my confidence whenever I'm doing this tutorial videos with you guys. As you can tell, I'm wearing my natural hair. I'm going to put on my weave. I washed it last night and it's dried, so it's clean. It smells really fresh, so I'm just going to put it on. So this is my weave. So I always wash my hair overnight. The next day it's clean and fresh, so it's very important to do so. Wash your hair every day with good shampoo and leave it to dry overnight. It's more advisable to do that than just washing it and wearing it at the same time. Guys, I put on my weave, so I'm just going to brush it and style it a little bit. So yeah, this is basically how it looks like. Afterwards, I'm going to start off with my makeup. Guys, I'm going to start off with my makeup. I'm going to use the concealer I got recently from lipstick and concealer I got from Kiko Milano. Okay, I'm going to share with you. So that's what I'm going to apply on my face. I'm also going to apply Maybelline New York foundation and powder. So I'm going to share with you some items I'm going to use for today's makeup look. Hey guys, so I also like to smell really good, so I like to use this CK Into You and my perfumes from Victoria's Secret. So I just spray little quantity on my body. Whenever I'm buoyant, I like to use perfume from the brand Dior. So this is a good way to smell good and feel good during the morning hours. So now I'm going to contour my face. So this is how I contour it. I just apply little here and on my nose area, on my chin, like this. You see, I just apply. Make sure you have washed your skin. Looks good, feels good. When you have washed yourself properly, you know, apply the cream, night cream or primer. I also like to contour my eyes. Anyway, I have dark circles, I just sometimes I also apply my Dior foundation. So I'm going to apply my Dior foundation. I'm going to apply, I like to use my hand though. So this is my Maybelline New York. So I'll just share with you how I contour. So this is it. It's not so contouring is not bad at all. It's actually advisable to contour your face whenever, so that when the light hits your face, you'll be seeing all the nice contours you have applied on your face. It really looks very good and artistic, especially if you are a YouTuber or if you create contents or like to wear makeup on your face. So it's advised to use contour. So if you know how to do so, go ahead and do so. Kylie Jenner, Kim Kardashian, they're very good with makeup. Jacqueline Hills, you know, James Charles, the YouTuber, Beauty by JJ, Jeffree Star, Shelly B.I.N. These are great YouTubers, even Patricia Bright. So these ladies, they like to contour their face and make themselves look very pretty. Guys, next I'm going to apply my Dior on my face. I'm also going to contour it. I like to use my hand to contour, so it might seem a little bit weird, but it helps me to achieve that contouring that I so much crave. So it's really fun to contour your face and just apply it here and there to make you look really pretty afterwards. So I'm just going to deviate from Nigerian pidgin English. I'm going to speak a little bit of British and American English, you understand? I'll just apply it. I really look weird though, but it's fine. This is how you contour your face. After contouring, now use beauty blender and blend it all out. Hi guys, I went to the houses and I did some groceries. So the houses is a very famous supermarket in Belgium. So you can shop for fruits, drinks and more. So I did some shopping there. You also have some cool supermarkets here in Belgium. You have Corrient, you have the Halse, and you also have Albert Heijn. Albert Heijn is actually in the Netherlands and in Belgium. can find our time in 6 questions and 12.